how to get rid of pimples in an hour at home. Conventional skincare rules dictate that pimples should never be popped to prevent scarring and blemishes. This is generally good advice because poor technique and the use of dirty tools can introduce bacteria into the skin, leading to infection and more skin problems. There's also the risk of driving pus, dirt, and sebum, oil, deeper into the pore and the surrounding follicles, thereby causing cystic acne and nodules to form. Estheticians and dermatologists, however, know that the quickest way to get rid of pimples is to drain them of pus and dead tissue so they can heal and dry up. When done correctly, nothing remains but a dark spot that eventually fades away on its own, or speed it up with the help of a brightening spot treatment gel. Unlike acne or cystic nodules, you can learn how to get rid of pimples in an hour at home. 1. You need the following: salicylic or benzoyl peroxide-based facial cleanser, a comedone extractor tool, 70% rubbing alcohol, cotton pads, a kaolin or bentonite clay mask, water or apple cider vinegar, a face steamer. You can also make do with a deep bowl filled with very hot water, and soothing eye drops formulated to reduce redness from tired eyes. 2. Wash your face with the cleanser, being careful not to use too much pressure, while being thorough enough to remove dirt and oil from the skin. Pat dry with a clean towel. 3. Next, mix the clay mask with an equal amount of water or apple cider vinegar until it becomes a paste. If your skin is not sensitive to tea tree oil, add in a few drops as well. Apply to the skin in a thin, even layer, while piling an extra thick layer to your pimples. A clay mask is excellent at drawing impurities from the pores to the skin surface. Leave on for about 30 minutes and rinse off. If you would rather not use a mask, simply dab some clay on the pimples to help them ripen. 4. After rinsing the clay mask off, steam your face for about 15 minutes. This softens the skin so you can prick your pimples with minimal pain and trauma. 5. Disinfect the comedone extractor using a cotton pad moistened with alcohol. Use the tool to squeeze the pimple until all the pus and fluid are drained. You know you're done when the pimple lies flat on your face. 6. Pat the drained pimple and surrounding skin with an alcohol-moistened cotton pad. Next, apply a few drops of soothing eye drops to the area. Keep your face clean and dry for the rest of the day until the next morning. This means you should skip your usual nightly skincare regimen. This tutorial on how to get rid of pimples in an hour at home is highly effective. But take note that you should only follow it for pimples ready to pop, not on cystic acne that sit underneath the skin. Trying to pop a zit still lying underneath the skin may force the pus deeper into the pore and even the adjoining follicles, where it can infect and harden into nodules. If you have a somewhat painful pimple that persists for weeks or even months without coming to the skin surface, it's best to have a dermatologist take a look. They can inject the nodule with cortisone to dry it out within a few hours.